In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear Instagram cache on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and then scroll down and hit on General. Next, tap at iPhone Storage, then wait for a couple of seconds, and then here at that list just scroll down until you find Instagram and get into it. Now here, in order to clear Instagram cache, all you have to do is just reinstall Instagram app. That's the only way how you can clear Instagram cache. Just hit right there at Upload app and then hit on Upload again, and then right here just tap on Reinstall app. Don't be afraid of doing this process because it doesn't remove anything important data. After reinstall process is complete, you can just open up Instagram app and use it as you did before without even re-entering your login and password. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.